Hello viewers, welcome to the another episode of height and distance trigonometry. We are starting with sum number 13 and episode is 7.9. We have already completed sum 1 to 12. Let us work it out. Sum number 13. The angle of elevation of the top of a vertical tower PQ from the point X on the ground is 60 degree. At a point Y 40 meters vertically above X, the angle of elevation is 45. Find the height of the tower PQ and the distance XQ. So we require to draw the diagram. So when we draw the diagram, P will be at the base and Q will be on the top, because it says of the top Q. So Q is on the top with an angle of elevation 60 degree from X. Just vertically above it there is Y. The distance between X and Y is 40 meters. From the Y, top of the tower Q is 45 degree. So let it be this B. This is also going to be B because this is going to make a parallel line. So distance from PX and LY will be same, so it is B. Distance from L to Q is A. YX is 40 meter, therefore LP is also 40 meter. We have to find out PQ, that is height of the tower, and XQ, that is the hypotenuse according to our diagram. So now in we got two triangles, QLY and QPX. So let us work it out for QPX. Tan theta is equal to opposite upon adjacent. Tan 60 is equal to A plus B upon A plus 40 upon B. Now tan 60 is under root 3 is equal to A plus 40 upon B. That is our equation number 1. From the another triangle, that is QLY, we get tan theta is equal to opposite upon adjacent. Tan 45 is equal to A upon B. The value of tan 45 is 1. So 1 is equal to A upon B. So 1 is equal to A upon B. B go this side. So A is equal to B. This is equation number 2. Now substituting the value of A as B, we get root 3. So we are substituting the value of A from equation 2 to 1. So root 3 is equal to B plus 40 upon B. B go this side. So under root B minus B is equal to 40. So that means B is equal to 40. Under root 3 means 173. B comes common. So minus 1 and it goes down. So it is 40 upon 1.73 minus 1. So is equal to 40 upon 0.73. Now 40 upon 0.73 will come up to 54.75 meters. So we got B. So distance between these two points, that is the base of the tower P and X, is B, that is 54.79. But our sum is not over. A is equal to B is equal to 54.79. We have to find out the height of the tower. So height of the tower is A plus 40. What is A? 54.79 plus 40. We get 94.79 meters. So that is the height of the tower. We found out height of the tower. Now we have to find out the hypotenuse XQ. If we take sin 60 is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse and we place the values, then sin 60 means what? Root 3 upon 2. Root 3 upon 2 is equal to 94.79 upon XQ. So XQ goes this side, root 3 comes this side at the denominator, and 2 goes and multiplies with the numerator. So 94.79 multiplied by 2 upon 1.73. If we calculate that part, we get XQ is equal to 109.58 meters. I hope you understood this sum. It is pretty simple. And here you have to find out XQ, that is a hypotenuse also. Let us work it out. Sum number 14. So let us come to question number 14. A man 1.8 meter tall stands at a distance of 3.6 meter from a lamppost and casts a shadow of 5.4 meter on the ground. Find the height of the lamppost. So we draw the diagram. So AB is the lamppost and XY is the man. The height of the man is 1.8. If we draw a parallel line from Y to AB at point N, then NB will become 1.8, because this is also 1.8, this is also 1.8, and this is X. So the total height of the pole is X plus 1.8. The distance from where he is standing away from the lamppost is 3.6 meters, and he is casting a shadow of that lamppost, of the lamp, of the light, is of its own is 5.4 meters. So we get two triangles with the same angle because the base is the same. So here base is BM, here XB and YN both are going to remain same. So the angle is going to become same. So theta is same angles. So here we get two triangles. A and y and ABM. We get two triangles. So let us work it out, two triangles in a different column. So first of all, a and y, tan theta is equal to opposite upon adjacent, an upon ny is equal to x upon 3.6. In this one, ABM, tan theta is opposite upon adjacent, AB upon BM, AB is x plus 1.8 and BM is 3.6 plus 5.4. Now as both the angles are same, so we can compare easily. So we are comparing x upon 3.6 is equal to x plus 1.8 upon 9. Here 9x minus 3.6x is equal to 1.8 multiply 3.6. Now I hope you understood how we got this one. So this one goes this side, this one goes this side. So when this one goes this side, so it multiplies with 3.6, 3.6 goes this side, so become minus, and 3.6 multiplies with 1.8. And now if you subtract this one, we get 5.4, 5.4 goes down, so it becomes 1.8 multiplied by 3.6 upon 5.4. If you cancel, you get answer x equal to 1.2. But our answer is not complete here, we require to do further. So AB is equal to x plus 1.8, x is 1.2 plus 1.8, that gives us 3.0 meters. The height of the lamp post is 3.0 meters or 3 meters. I hope you understood both these sums. Let us work it out. Sum number 15. Sum number 15. In a given figure, a man stands on the ground at a point A, which is on the same horizontal plane as B, the foot of the vertical pole BC. The height of the pole is 10 meters. Man's eye is 2 meters above the ground, and he observes the angle of elevation of C, the top of the pole, as x degree, where tan x degree is equal to 2 upon 5. Find the distance AB in meters. It's very long problem sum. The question is very long, but the sum is very simple. Here, if we draw the diagram, AD is the man, B is the foot of the pole, BC is the pole which is 10 meters, AD is a man which is 2 meters, so this becomes 2 meters. So DL is a parallel line drawn to BA, a foot of the pole, and the distance from where the man is standing. So DL is equal to y and AB is equal to y. DA is 2 meters, therefore LB is also 2 meters. So if this is 2 meters, then from the pole this becomes 8 meters. So we take tan theta as x degree, because he is observing, his eyes are here and observing the top C, top of the tower C, having an angle 10x degree. So 10x degree is given 2 upon 5. So let us work it out. So in a triangle CLD, we get tan theta is equal to opposite upon adjacent. Tan x is equal to 8 upon y. When we replace the value of tan x, which is 2 upon 5, so we get 2 upon 5 is equal to 8 upon y. Y goes this side, 5 goes this side, 2 comes down. So it becomes y is equal to 8 multiplied by 5 upon 2. 2 4s are 8 and 4 5s are 20. So distance between the man and the pole is 20 meters. So this is how we do the sum. Let us work it out, sum number 16, in another episode.